Benefits of consuming fenugreek and black seeds together. 1. Provides anti-inflammatory benefits. Both fenugreek and black seeds have been shown to reduce markers of inflammation in humans. 2. May improve brain function. Regularly consuming fenugreek and black seeds or taking fenugreek and black seed supplements may help protect your brain and improve cognition. 3. May help protect against cancer. Both fenugreek and black seeds contain compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. 4. May boost heart health. Fenugreek has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Black seeds have also been shown to have beneficial effects on heart health by reducing blood pressure and improving circulation. 5. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Fenugreek can be helpful in digestion by controlling high sugar levels. Black seeds have also been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. Ingredients: fenugreek, black seeds,